concrete pump is able to pump concrete where you can't reach with a ready-mix truck. Concrete goes into the hopper.